Are you looking for the best fixed base routers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best fixed base routers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Bosch 1617 EVS 2.25 HP Electronic Fixed Base Router. The Bosch fixed base router is quite a powerful tool with a 12-amp motor and an adjustable speed dial that can go from 8,000 to 25,000 RPM. This way, you can adjust the speed according to the project you are working on and simply glide along the cut lines. This tool is built with aluminum, making it durable. The rounded wooden handles on both sides make it very convenient for you to hold and maximize the control you have over the device. The product includes 2 collet chucks, a 1/4 inch and a 1/2 inch, a collet nut wrench, a shaft wrench, chip shields, and screws for table mounting. It has a soft start mechanism which allows you to ease in slowly and avoid any sudden jagged cuts. The fixed base router also maintains a constant speed when you cut. It has a versatile depth adjustment system that lets you make microfine adjustments even from the top of a router table. The motor won't rotate when you are adjusting the depth. The chip shields prevent wood shavings from spreading all over your table. There's also a dust port that you can connect to a vacuum. I love the fact that you can inspect your routing action through the shield. But sawdust tends to accumulate on the on-off switch, so you may have to clean that regularly. The Bosch 1617 EVS is designed for precision, making it easy to stay on the cut line for accurate cuts. You can adjust the switch and cord to the left or right depending on your convenience. The device is also very quiet, making it great for home use. However, it takes some time to stop spinning after switching it off, so wait till the motor stops running. Otherwise, it might catch on the wood while you try to lift it. Number 2. DeWalt Router, Fixed Base, 12 amp, 24,000 RPM. The DeWalt DW618 comes with a powerful 12-amp motor that is capable of delivering variable speed from 800 to 24,000 RPM. This, along with the soft start feature, makes sure that you can route easily and make accurate cuts, even through the toughest hardwoods. It comes with a microfine depth adjustment ring that lets you make depth adjustments in 1/64-inch increments. The handles are overmolded with rubber, making them easy to hold. The flat top makes it very easy to change the bits as well as the depth. The base is designed to enhance durability and bit visibility and also to make sure that the bit is centered properly. To further aid you in bit and base changes, there is a quick-release motor latch and a tool-free steel motor cam. The DeWalt DW618 comes with a dust-sealed switch to prevent the switch from ingesting sawdust. The power cord is easily detachable and can be attached on the left or right side, depending on your convenience. It is a great fixed base router for beginners. The 1/4 inch collet is inside the 1/2 inch collet, so do keep that in mind. Number 3. SKIL 14 amp plunge and fixed base router combo RT1322-00. With a 14 amp motor and a 2.5 horsepower, the SKIL RT1322-00 is a powerful tool ideal for heavy-duty work. It is a combo tool, which means it comes with both a fixed base and a plunge base. You can swap it out based on your work. You basically get 2 tools for the price of one, which I think is very cool. The tool's speed varies between 10,000 to 25,000 RPM. It comes with a speed control LCD display where you can easily set the speed. It also lets you input the bit type and material and suggests the best speed settings for it. The soft start mechanism ensures a safe start to your routing, and the built-in electronic speed control system makes sure that the speed never wavers while you are at it. The SKIL RT1322-00 has a die-cast motor housing and ergonomic handles for easy maneuvering. The power-on safety indicator lights up whenever the fixed base router is connected to power, working as an added layer of security. It has 3 depth settings as well as a microfine depth adjustment. You can use the vacuum ports for dust extraction. The included edge guides help you keep the tool on the cut line. This is a great fixed base router for heavy-duty projects. However, the downside is that it is a bit difficult to clean and the digital buttons are sometimes slow to respond. There have also been complaints that the hole in the base is quite small for larger bits. Number 4. Makita RF11012 2¼ HP * router. The Makita RF1101 features an 11 amp motor and a 2.25 horsepower. It has a variable speed that ranges from 800 to 24,000 RPM and can be adjusted using the speed dial, giving you more control while working with different types of wood. The soft start mechanism ensures a smooth start by easing you into the maximum speed. The electronic speed control makes sure that the speed remains constant while in operation. The tool has a rugged aluminum motor housing for durability as well as easy handling. The sub-base is capable of accepting template guides and the flat top offers a lot of stability when changing the bits. There are 2 identical size wrenches to easily change the bits. The large calibrated depth control ring makes it very easy to adjust the depth, and the industrial cam lock offers fast and safe removal of the motor. All ball bearing construction increases the tool's durability and also reduces noise levels. There is an LED light that illuminates your work area, making it easy to work even in places with low light. There's also a dust extraction adapter to keep your workplace clean and tidy. The Makita RF1101 is great for using on different types of wood. However, it is not great for under-table mounting as the lock lever mechanism fails to hold tight. This leads to the entire motor housing to slide out of the base. It is also difficult to remove the bit. Moreover, the plate opening does not support larger bits. Number 5. Milwaukee 5625 to 2015 amp 3½ horsepower. The Milwaukee 5625 to 10 is a power horse of a tool. It features a very powerful 15 amp motor and has a horsepower of 3.5. It is no wonder that this tool is capable of handling any projects. It can even be used on thick pieces of wood. This tool is heavy, which makes it more stable and suitable for heavy-duty projects. It is ideal to be used on top of a table. The tool has a soft start feature and the easy grip handles make it super easy to maneuver. It has a machined aluminum housing for the motor and the base along with 100% sealed ball bearings, giving the tool some durability as well as stability. It has an exclusive linear height adjustment. You can adjust the height even from above the table. There's also a microfine depth adjustment that lets you adjust to within 1/64 of an inch. The bits are easy to change and the speed dial is clunky, which means you can adjust the speed easily, even with your eyes closed. The T-handle wrench for the height adjustment is easy to grip and is protected by a rubber gasket. However, the depth adjuster screw is made of plastic, so it might break if you aren't careful with it. Sawdust also tends to pile up on the on-off switch, so make sure to clean it regularly.